I spent my entire life savings on the two most powerful video AIs on the planet, Runway and Kling, and they are insane. But what if you could get the same power for absolutely free? This is Pollo AI. I'm going to show you the main features and show you exactly how easy it is to get started. And stick around until the end, because I'm also going to break down the pricing and show you just how much money you can save compared to buying these tools separately. Let's break it down. Alright, let's head over to the website and sign up for your free account. It's quick and painless. Just enter your email, create a password, and boom, you're in. The main dashboard will be your creative hub. It's simple, intuitive, and laid out perfectly. From here, you've got access to powerful options like AI video, AI image, and AI avatar. So let's start with a classic, making a video from a picture. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll find the Image to Video option. Click on that and you'll be taken to the creation screen. Upload any image you like. This is where the magic starts to happen. But here's where it gets interesting. Pollo AI gives you the power to fine-tune your video. Set your desired video length, maybe a 5-second or a 10-second clip, and adjust the resolution to suit your needs. Hit Create and watch as Pollo AI breathes life into that still image. It's effortless. Now let's talk about creating videos using what's already available in the tool. Instead of writing prompts, you can simply select ready-made scenes, templates, or visuals and customize them to match your idea. You can change the style, adjust the flow, and combine different clips to create a complete video. This method is simple, beginner-friendly, and perfect for creating good-looking videos without any advanced setup. What kind of scene would you try to create with just a text prompt? Let me know in the comments. Now here's where things get even more exciting. The video-to-video feature takes an existing video and transforms it into something entirely new. Whether you want to give it an anime style, a claymation look, or anything else, Pollo AI allows you to put a unique spin on your footage. Perfect for social media posts that need that extra creative touch. The third big feature, AI avatar. This is one of the coolest features on the platform. With this, you can create a lifelike AI version of yourself or any character. You can use photo to video to create a video from a single image, and even use lip-sync video to make your avatar speak a script you've written. The mimic motion feature is incredible, allowing you to animate a character to follow the movements in another video. It's like having your own digital actor. In addition to these core features, Pollo AI also has a suite of video tools and photo effects. You can use the video upscaler to improve the quality of your clips, or a denoise video tool to clean up grainy footage. And if you want to have some fun, the Effects Lab is packed with trending effects like Gender Swapped Me or AI Kissing Video Generator. Now let's talk about pricing. This is where Pollo AI truly stands out. Since it's currently in beta, you get access to all of these amazing features for a fraction of what you'd pay for separate subscriptions to different tools like Runway, Kling, Haiwo, and more. Instead of juggling multiple bills for text-to-video, image-to-video, and AI avatars, try Pollo AI has all the tools you need in one powerful and affordable package. Whether you're looking to create short clips for TikTok, marketing videos for your business, or just want to experiment with AI art, it's a smart, cost-effective way to create high-quality content without burning a hole in your wallet. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our latest videos. Until next time, happy creating!